You can't steer a docked boat. Often when people say they are stuck, or they're not moving forward, or their life seems to be like they're living on a what do you call it, hamster wheel, or it seems like they're living through Groundhog Day over and over again. The thing that I always like to remind them is you cannot steer a docked boat. So if you really want to make changes in your life, you do have to move. You have to make some different choice. So if you spend your day watching TV, then maybe you need to not watch TV for a day or so, or even half a day, and just schedule out some time to really get out there and do something, anything that is a step forward towards your new life. We all run into that. I am, by far, I'm a professed Netflix junkie, and there are times when I get overwhelmed, so all I do is binge watch Netflix. Not a good thing to do, especially as I'm trying to build a business. So I need to limit that particular habit of mine. I won't call it bad because I want to stay out of judgment. That habit that's not very resourceful for me, and move into something that is. So this morning, even though last night I didn't sleep very well because I kept getting woke up with thoughts that were running in my mind, and this morning I sat down with 2 other coaches and we put together the workshop that we're going to be doing in September. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. We're just having the general outline of what we want to do, but we are all 3 committed to doing it, and it really helps when you have other people that you can bounce ideas off of. So, new webinar new in-person workshop in West Ashley, South Carolina in September, on September 11th. I'm announcing it really early. Don't even have the parameters of it, so stay tuned for more. And please, if you are on or around, stay tuned for or sign up for my weekly broadcast that I'm doing in my webinar software. So if you want to sign up for that, it's at http://victoriahargis.com/massive change. So see you on the call and see you at the webinar, and hopefully see you in person if you happen to live near here. Bye.